Hello Kika honey, let me show you how to make this easy cranberry sauce. So to begin, you want to wash 2 bags of fresh cranberries, add about 4 cups of water. You're going to add a cup of sugar. You're going to add the zest from 1 lemon. You're also going to add the juice from 1 lemon. Please make sure not to include the seeds from the lemon, okay? So you're going to add half teaspoon of salt and you're going to transfer this to the stove. You're going to cook these cranberries until they start popping. Once they start popping, you know this cranberry is almost ready. So you're going to turn and you're going to go in with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, and that's the brand I'm using. So add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and you're going to allow this cook for another 2 to 5 minutes and then this sauce is ready. It is as simple as that. There is nothing else to it. This is better by far than all those things you get from the store because you don't know what they use and the preservatives they use. This is fresh, simple, and it's very quick and anybody can make this. Okay, so please like and subscribe to this channel for more homemade, easy, quick recipes. Thank you so much guys for watching. See you in the next one. Have yourself a good one. Bye bye.